The devastation here is pretty incredible. Looking through the different neighborhoods, neighborhood by neighborhood, everything is gone. It looks a lot like this. This was a chiropractic office that is now down to the ground. What remains in many of these neighborhoods, just ash, gray ash. And it is that way street after street here in Altadena and also in the Pacific Palisades area. There are nearly half a dozen active wildfires here in Southern California right now that firefighters are continuing to fight. There is help that is now beginning to come in. We've seen firefighters from Northern California arriving. We know they're on their way from Arizona and from Nevada. They'll be here later today. The wind, luckily, has calmed way down compared to what we were dealing with here yesterday morning. Firefighters say that is really helping out, and that has almost put a stop, in a way, to this fire. It's still burning within the confines of the area that's been active, but the actual growth has been minimal because the wind has not been pushing the flames. But the concern is later on tonight, when the Santa Ana winds are expected to come back, that everything could flare up again. But this is an issue of a lack of resources right now in Southern California, a lack of firefighters, a lack of fire engines, but more are now showing up. In Altadena, California, Alex Stone, ABC News.